Boldt HVAC is a trusted provider of expert heating and cooling solutions, offering reliable repairs, installations, and maintenance to keep your system running efficiently. With a focus on quality service and customer satisfaction, we ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. Call us today. What does HVAC service include? HVAC service includes system inspections, cleaning, filter replacements, and performance checks to ensure efficient heating and cooling. It also covers repairs, tune-ups, and professional maintenance to prevent breakdowns and improve indoor air quality. What are the signs your HVAC system needs servicing? Signs your HVAC system needs servicing include weak airflow, uneven temperatures, strange noises, high energy bills, and frequent cycling. If you notice any of these issues, professional maintenance can prevent costly repairs. How much does HVAC service cost? The cost of HVAC service varies based on the type of maintenance or repair needed. Routine tune-ups typically range from $75 to $200, while repairs or full system servicing may cost more. For an accurate estimate, contact Boldt HVAC today. What are the areas near Eagan, Minnesota? Does Boldt HVAC provides heater service? Boldt HVAC proudly provides expert HVAC service to Eagan, Minnesota, and the surrounding areas. We serve nearby cities, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemouth, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield, Minnesota. Where is the Boldt HVAC Eagan, Minnesota located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road Suite 200, Eagan, Minnesota 55121, United States. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.